Good morning, everyone. Do you have your cup of coffee this morning? Today's new thought is you've been given the gift of another day. What is the most important thing you must do today? Now, this is an important new thought and question because it helps you focus on accomplishing only one thing instead of a long list of things that could overwhelm you. Maybe you need to cold call today and you don't want to make 30 or 40 phone calls. Okay, just make one call then. Maybe you have many things you need to accomplish around your home. Just tackle that one thing today that's most important. Whatever it is, just do the most important thing today. If that goes well, then tackle the second most important thing. Then if you want to do more, do more. But today I'm suggesting you start with just one important thing. You've been given the gift of a new day. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to go change and go walking. Bye-bye.